Come get the jury clean, spend 150,000, bro. I just want my jury clean, bro.
Rafi, do you have another one?
For him.
Yeah, but is the sizing done?
It's already done. It's sized. Alright.
When will you be here though? It's 6:20.
Yeah, I'll be there before 7.
Okay. Alright, sounds good.
Is it possible y'all can paint that?
Rose? What, all white?
Rose. Oh, what you think, white? I know, cause it's a yellow diamond. Right?
Yeah,
those are yellow diamonds.
they're yellow. They're light yellow. So
I still think all white would be hard.
all white might look best, man.
Can you do it?
Yeah, we'll do it.
Yeah, right now. What up?
This is Lorraine like this on my finger.
How you doing?
Good. Go on my feet.
Right.
Make sure I got on.
What you got going on?
Shit.
Too long? You say it's too long?
Nah.
Oh, okay.
Man, I had the same hat. Blue tomorrow. Blue fake. True fake.
You ain't that good at least. You look like you're about to go on stage right now.
Yeah.
I am. I'm about to go to house game.
Oh,
Okay.
performing there?
Stage.
Hell no.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
performing, but stage.
Yeah, fade.
People gonna see me.
We'll see you.
Okay.
How much this cost?
Z, how much it costs?
Just
We'll worry about it next time.
Alright, appreciate it.
too small. I like the big ones.
Big.
We have that big 2-row white gold one in the back.
Let me see it.
That one, okay, we can pull it out for him.
Give me a second.
Yes.
And then, what about the yellow gold one with the baguettes? The big, nice one.
No. Cuban.
You had a Cuban on the ankle for.
Yeah. They're making it redoing.
Jeff, he's gonna measure your ankle, okay? We're doing the same big lobster lock as before. You want it like that?
Yeah, that's way better. Yeah. Oh.
Man, you just came in to do free service, and look what happened.
That's crazy, bro. Can't get your jury clean.
Hey, boy, ready?
Peace out.